The first thing I would do is visit a mortgage broker, let them run your credit and income. They'll give you a pre-approval. If the credit is a little weak, you have to work on the credit. If the income is a little weak, you could always partner up with someone, a brother, sister, family member, in order to get a decent pre-approval. So once you get your pre-approval, visit a few different local realtors. See who you like, see who's gonna be responsive to your emails, to your text messages, to your calls, and also explain to them that you wanna find houses that need a little bit of work, paint, a little landscaping, so that you won't pay top dollar. Also, don't buy a single family house. The minimum that I would buy is a mother-daughter. The reason for that is, if you get a mother-daughter, the mortgage is $2,500. You live on one side of the house and you can rent a portion of the house and bring in a little income. An example, your mortgage would be $2,500. You rent the bonus apartment for $1,000. Your net mortgage now is $1,500. If you can find 2 family houses and 3 family houses, go for those. Those are great money makers and you get great value. Since you're gonna be buying houses that need a little bit of work, build your contractor relationship. Find out who's a great painter at great prices. Find out who's a good plumber, electrician, bathroom guys, window guys, roofing. So build your relationships with them. Get to know them, see some of their work, visit some of their job sites, take some pictures, take some videos, so that when you get your house, you have them. So remember, you're gonna be buying these houses that need a little bit of work. So there's 2 ways to do it. Either you have a little extra cash to fund it yourself. If not, talk to your mortgage broker. He'll give you a 203K loan where they give you the money for the purchase and they give you the money for the renovations. And then you reach out to all your contractors in order to do the work. Remember, you're gonna have those existing relationships with the plumber, the electrician, the landscapers, your window company, your roofing company, so that when you get the property and you get the funds, you're ready to go. Some people think that this is not possible, that this is just on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, but it is possible. I grew up in a low-income housing with a single mom. Little by little, I built my portfolio and it provides a great lifestyle. I can help you. I can help you achieve those goals. I'll teach you. Reach out to me and we'll get it done.